welcome back to my channel. Today I have some exciting news to share with you. I'm getting a puppy. Our Labrador Retriever puppy will be coming home with us very soon, and to prepare for her arrival, I've been doing quite a bit of research on dog training and nutritional needs for the puppy. Our breeder told us that our puppy will be on a dry kibble diet for the first few weeks of her arrival. However, we can start to gradually introduce other food into her diet. And what better way to introduce healthy, nutritious food into a puppy's diet than to make your own? Today is not a typical cooking video because today I'm going to be making homemade dog food. If you don't have a dog, just skip to the last 2 minutes of the video for some puppy cuteness. For the rest of you, before we get started, I'm going to make myself a cup of herbal tea. So growing up, I had a family dog and she would only eat human food. Me and her would actually eat the same food from her dog bowl. Ah, the good times. Now, I'm not recommending that. However, she did live a happy and healthy life. Anyways, for this recipe, you'll need olive oil, ground chicken, a carrot, a zucchini, some frozen peas, spinach, and brown rice. Check the description in this video for the full recipe and step-by-step instructions. First, we'll start off by preparing the carrot and the zucchini. We'll then shred the carrot, followed by the zucchini. We'll start by heating up some olive oil in a pan. And now we'll add the chicken. Cook until browned, about 5 minutes. Stir in the carrots and zucchini and sauté for another 5 minutes. Alright, now it's time to put in the frozen peas. Is it bad that this is kind of making me a little bit hungry? Time for the spinach. I'm gonna add it just little by little because it takes up a lot of space on the pan. However, as everybody knows, it's going to disappear within about 2 minutes. Okay, beautiful. So look at that. Pretty much wilted away, so I'm just gonna mix it all together and add a little bit more spinach to this. And that should be good. All right, and now it's time for the rice. After the food is ready, I've let it sit here and cool for about 15 minutes, and now I'm ready to portion it out. I'm going to freeze all of these portions until our puppy comes home. See you in just a bit.
5 weeks later.
So it's been a few weeks and we finally picked up our puppy Luna. She is just the absolute cutest. Now I'm going to introduce to her the food that I made for her a few weeks back. I put it in the freezer. We'll see how she likes it. Luna! I have a feeling she's gonna like it a lot. I'm pretty sure she likes it. Luna, what do you think? Sit. Yes. Leave it. Good girl. Oh my goodness, yes. Down. Yes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to leave me a comment below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos every Saturday. Also follow me on Instagram at Greco Recipes. And I recently started a TikTok account at Greco Recipes on there as well. Take care and have a great day. Drop it. Good girl. Oops, I got some carrot in her fur.